Vanderbilt, ako po ay taga Maynila, Luzon Province yan. And the first, this is the first project that we acquired outside the Luzon area. Okay, so I don't know anyone in Zamboanga before that time. I just found out an opportunity when this building was being sold then by the previous owner, na half-finished pa siya, no? When I came here, I studied the market and I found out na napakaganda pala ng tourism potential ng not only your province but the city, the Zamboanga city. Now, I got to meet after that your Mayor John Delique, very nice man. And then part of this program is your not only your ecotourism, but I think the business tourism. In other words, very strong kasi yung trading business ng Zamboanga. And he told me that about your region, is it called Sambasulta, gets a lot of visitors every day, 200,000. Now, given that means you have a lot of transients who will be staying in the city. And he mentioned during your holidays and special occasions here, nawawalan daw ng hotel rooms or lodging facilities yung mga guests of Zamboanga City. Especially, what is the fiesta po? That beautiful fiesta you have, which I plan to come here to see that fiesta. So that gave us the idea of introducing a new concept na very, very common in Metro Manila and in other provinces in Luzon, called the condominium hotel, or what you call condotel. Ang condotel is you can own the unit. By the way, we're the first condominium here, no? Naunahan pa namin ng Philinvest. But the operation, instead of living in the condominium, kasi may mga bahay na rin kayo dito, of course, it's more spacious, gagawin natin as an investment opportunity. So, as a group, we're going to run it as a hotel and everyone gets their share of hotel income. That's the concept of condotel, and we have a lot of it sa Metro Manila. Talagang very standard product. That's the good thing about the condotel concept. I believe talaga it's a very good investment. Ako mismo, I have a few condotel units in Metro Manila and definitely no regrets about it. So I hope that brokers, investors, you can relay that kind of message to mga potential new buyers. Today is a site viewing day, and I think this is the first time talaga na nakapasok kayo dito, not only the ground floor, but in the second floor. So you can see the whole layout of how the hotel will be looking. It will look like this, basically from ground floor to fifth floor. It's as deep as this, as the view is better as you go up to the floors. And we believe that we're bringing here a design that comes from Manila and not very common yet in Zamboanga City. Like in this picture here, I'll just highlight something. I don't know kung meron na kayo dito nun. These things are actually lights, ilaw yan. So it is parang neon lights sa gabi. So everything that you see, hindi lang ma-reflect sa picture, pero at night that will be all lighted. So very bright yung harap natin. To give that very nice feeling of lightness and parang get together. Ang kagandahan nga, as what Julie mentioned, we don't wish to be a nuisance or bothersome to the people of Santa Maria, the barangay of Santa Maria. That's why instead of ang iniisip ng lahat, gawin nyo yung entrance sa harap kasi harap naman yan. No, we made it in the side of entry. So guess what? Miski 4 o 5 sasakyan at the same time magbababa ng tao, pwedeng silang lahat nandyan nagbababa ng tao. And without affecting the Governor Ramos, that's what you call it, on this road. It's very, very easy road. So we feel that we'd like to bring something different to Zamboanga City, and that is what Vanderbilt is all about. Vanderbilt, para sa curiosity nyo, ang ibig sabihin lang yan is, ano ba ibig sabihin yan? Okay, yung Vander is actually pangalan ng anak ko. Okay? And nandito siya ngayon. Ako, makikilala niya si Vander. And then build is because we actually build things. That's really the concept. That's what we like to do. We build or rebuild other things. That's why may RE kami. Where is that written? Hindi na, wala dito yung corporate name. We do recovery and rehabilitation of other projects. So we love to do that. And at the end, makatulong naman sa mga tao, the society, and the community in general. So all I have to say is, I can go on and on explaining what we do, and we just love doing what we do. Love the love that we do. I just want to thank all of you for coming here, and nice to see these faces who I've heard all about you one way or other through our sales and marketing people. I hope I get to meet each and every one of you later as we go on through the day. But let's go on with our program so that you can be updated sa technical information and building. But again, we love Zamboanga, we love the culture, we love the food here. Thank you for welcoming us into your province, into your homes, and thank you all for coming today.
Thank you, sir. To our side viewing day, I'm Engineer General Cortesa, AVP for Construction. In which we will be highlighting kung ano yung mga accomplishments and milestones natin na nagawa dito sa site. As you can see, sa paligid nyo and then sa baba, there have been major accomplishments and milestones na nagawa na natin dito sa ating job site. No? And not just that, no? Kasi we had done our due diligence, no, in terms of engineering and technical. No, before we go into the reconstruction itong project natin. So sabi nga ni Sir Ron kanina, no, we have acquired this building previously. And we have done our due diligence, no, in terms of the process in engineering, no, prior to the reconstruction of this project. So we will not, I will not let you wait further. So let me introduce to you our project engineer. Si Engineer Denison Artalini is our full-time in charge. No? We will discuss each of details regarding our construction updates. Ito ito.
By the way, I'm Engineer Den, and I'm the PIC here in this project, Lapidas Zamboanga. Karunungan and partners as the principal designer. Known to sila sa Luzon for their design. Their design is the, I think what's that say? From the Tagaytay, the Sur building, yes. And also the Ecom from the MOA. Okay. And also we have the designers, structural designer, the AC Pama Engineering Consultancy, led by the Engineer Pama.
So, ayun, good morning po sa lahat. So, kakapasok ko lang actually sa company, no? 4 months ago. So, relatively bago pa ako. Pero in the limited time I've been here, I've seen what we do, and what we built, and what we create. And I believe na we're doing things properly and the right way. With that, so I'll just introduce myself once again. So I'm Vander, pero introduce ko lang ako sa Evan para at least magkaiba sa kumpanya. So I'm Evan Del Rosario, the Business Development Officer here at Vanderbilt. And I'd like to share the closing remarks now with all. So first of all, thank you everyone for coming here today. No? Alam ko, it's been, well, at least sa Zamboanga, medyo malala pala yung traffic dito. So thank you for the time and the effort. And then this side viewing, it's an exclusive event to share the progress updates and how the site is currently doing. Here at Vanderbilt kasi we prioritize quality and safety. And as seen in engineers report, we've been meticulous in ensuring the structural integrity of this project. So we hope that later as we go through it, we'll be able to see the time and effort that we put into making sure that this is a good investment for you all. And here we really want to build for the future. So with that, that's it. Para short and sweet lang tayo, no? Thank you again for coming. And we hope na you'll be here to invest and build with us. Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Evan. Diba? Daming initiation ngayon.